Welcome back to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is 2012 BMW X5
335i.
335i. We have this car in the previous video. We diagnosed the car and we have a code related to fuel control pump module. The fuel pump module is the module that located on the back in this 5 series in this area here. X series
in the trunk.
Yeah, all the way in the back in the trunk, and just in a few. I see it. I'm coming with it, and I'm gonna try to check it out and show you exactly where the location is. There are some of them that the fuel pump is located here behind this seat. Some of them all the way in the back seat. Give me that one. Where is the module? The module is something like this. We call it fuel control module, fuel pump control module, but in a German way, or the way they did AKPM. Anyhow, it's also electrical control module or something like that. This one is control the fuel pump follow. That means the computer look at this module, and then based on the pressure that coming from the fuel pump, it regulate back the fuel, and it will not let the fuel pump running in a full speed, but this is the one that control the module. So the location of it is somewhere here, but the problem when it go bad and it's got hot, the car will not start. The car, you're gonna get hesitation. You see, this is the battery, where the battery is located in this car.
Yeah.
But the fuel pump control module is located in this place. Can I put a used one? Sometimes it work, but we cannot guarantee. But if it's possible, put a brand new one. Get it from the dealer. There are some aftermarket. I cannot guarantee you that they are gonna work good. But if this one is for 2000, if this is a 2012, for example, and it worked for 9 years or 10 years, it's better to get a brand new original from the dealer. You will guarantee that it will work for another 10 years at least. So we have a new one here, as I told you, and these 2 wires here, this is for the fuel pump command, and those are connected to power, ground, and some information coming from sensors and the engine control module. But if you change this one here, it will not work. If you put a brand new from the dealer, you must code it. You must tell the car that look, or the computer that look, you see, we have a new piece, we need to program it. We have a new piece that we need to code it to the car. It's just like in the previous day before the like you have an optic driver, or you have a printer, you bought it and you put it into your computer. You have to install a driver, and you have to tell the computer that we have a new software that's coming, or a new computer that's coming. What tool do you use to code and program this one? Okay, the dealer tools, they have it, but the last time I used the dealer tools, it force you to code the whole car, to program the whole car. Just you need to code it. It may force you to, I don't know if they update it, they fix it better now, but you have to code and program the whole car. What happens if one module is not there? It will abort the programming. I remember we tried to do one car and to program an engine computer, and we are missing the trunk control module. The computer stopped. We are not able to do anything. So now, what tool you need? The dealer tools and some other aftermarket tools. They will program it and code it good. I am using for the diagnostic. Last time I was using the BMW tools. Here I'm using Otec, this tool here, Auto Hex. They are very good, and they have a connection with the database, I believe. I'm gonna put my computer in right now. I'm gonna turn the key on, and let's code this one. Why? Because right now if I start it, it may start and shut off, or it may not start at all. So let's try it now. See, the car start running good, but it may shut off on you soon, or it may create you a problem, because the computer will go and look for it, and it will say, oh, this is not the one, or this is symptoms are not okay when it's coming to regulating the fuel. I'm gonna leave this car running, or leave the ignition on. Okay, leave the ignition on, and I will go to my computer gonna use my the software that I was using it here is supposed to be somewhere here. AutoHex here. Yeah. I'm gonna close the door and I will stop. Be sure you have internet. Your ignition is on. And now click on BMW here. Take your time. If it's not clear, let me know. Okay, go to programming and coding. If you don't do that, if you go only onto diagnose, you may get the code for module is not coded. If you want me to do that, I will do that. But right now, I just want to
run the diagnostic one time and clean it.
But it will be, you already put a new one, so you cannot clean it.
Best if we do
you
it
cannot
one time.
clean it and still not program it.
Okay.
Program it and then you can go back and clean the codes.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
now
better.
I'm gonna go to code it. It's E70 and this is a VIN number on it.
Should I put the new one?
Now you're gonna plug the new one now.
Huh?
Let me go back. Yeah, I want you to. I'm gonna go plug the new one. It's still the old one there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where is the new one? The one that you show me?
Yeah.
That one is used from the junkyard, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So put it in and then I'm gonna code it because this one we already read the old one. So I'm gonna go out. You understand? I wanna go out first, and then from there put the new one. Then I read the information. Okay. Okay. You wanna put the old one now?
Okay.
Yeah, put the new one. I'm gonna exit and I will come back again because
I have it here somewhere. Give it to me.
Where, this one here? Okay. The customer have a used one. Anyhow, we're gonna plug it in and read the individual diagnosis. When you plug it in, let me know. He's taking the old one out and we are going to put the new one. We have this fault. It shows that the airbag have a problem. You're gonna see it here and also you will see it here. You put it on already?
No.
Okay, he put it on already. You see, I already have a message. It says fuel pump malfunction, reduction, injector power or shutdown possible because he disconnected and the car already sees something there. So I'm not gonna mind on that one, but I will go to individual coding as before and I will click next. Here it will give me the fuel, the modules and electrical fuel pump here. You see the same letter E, K, B. So I will click next. Okay, now if you see here at the top L990078, what is the last VIN number? Last three is what? Last three VIN number?
990078.
So 99078. So now what we're gonna do is we try to code this computer. Let me go back first. I wanna go out of it. And I will. Okay, my brother.
Tomorrow morning,
no
all
problem.
right?
Thank you. Be safe, yeah. Yeah, no problem.
Here's the key here.
Which one was that?
This key.
For.
BMW. You said you're gonna work on it tomorrow, right?
Yeah, he tell me he's gonna. Okay, now I'm gonna go open it again because I don't wanna read other information, not the same one. And now I go to this one here. And then from here, I'm gonna go to diagnosis. I don't wanna go to diagnosis, program and coding. And I will read the information again.
Trust me, I love this. Don't change it. I tell him.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to coding. And then I will go here next. And I'll go electric fuel pump. I will click next. You see this car here? The VIN number is L592 497. So we're gonna code it and you're gonna see that when it change. Let me start one more time. You see? You hear it? It's just like crazy. Does it work? Shut off right away. Okay. We have this code. Let's see now. We're gonna code it first. Ignition on. You can go nowhere with it. Changing VIN. As soon as the coding is finished, that VIN is supposed to change. Let's continue doing it. Finalizing in progress. Finalizing coding. See something here. What's the VIN number? Reading it again for me, yours?
990078.
Okay. Now restarting. Good. Module encoding complete, and he write down the VIN number L990078. We got it now.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna go out of here. I'm gonna exit this. I will go back. I'll go to diagnosis. X series E71 or E70?
70.
E70. You see, Mercedes, BMW go by numbers.
Yes.
You don't say X5, but you just say E70 and you will go look for it. Okay, running the diagnosis now. So we're gonna wait a little bit.
It's on, ignition is on.
Okay. I'm gonna go to control unit. Electric fuel pump. Fuel code. Coding, you see? It say coding incorrect. I gotta clear this code. Okay, it's coming back. This one here, you got it from the same, okay, same car, okay. Let me go back to the engine. Electric fan, high pressure fuel, pulsability, cold start pressure, electronic fan, electric activation, fan, so fuel pressure. Let me see why we have a fuel.
No, I pulled the relay, that's why, one time.
Okay.
I pulled the relay, the
turn,
fuel
I
relay.
didn't turn the ignition off.
Yeah, it's off now.
So take it out, supposed to. And let the computer reset itself.
How this car does is you open the door and you close it so the car knows you're out of it.
Have to sleep, right? Sleep mode. This is the one from the junkyard.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a brand new, right?
No.
It's not good, this one. It's not good. It may be not for. That's why I told you, you don't need to. You don't need to put used part in this car.
No, right?
No, I tell you, Rasa, I say, you want to get a used one, I tell you, you're going to waste your money. Okay, let me see now, individual programming. update. Let me see if I can update it. You see?
What?
No. Yeah. You know, sometime it's even the part number when he give the regulated fuel, when he give the part number here, he give the part number as a different, you know, like he give you a part number 722914, 729174, or 7229-173, replace 7276383, or you don't need to go through this. You just have to go through something that, you know, like you see, like here now I try to update this one here. I have an update and I have to program it. But you buy some computers, it may tell you, okay, this is good for this car. Maybe the car is, the parameter, the way they did it is different.
Okay.
And that's where I say you don't need to go through 10-year-old part to put it in your car, and you need in the same time to have it to work good. No, it will not go. It will not work good the way it is. Even yours is better than this one.
Why isn't it working? Because
It's not. It could be a defective, or it could be no good. Bring yours.
okay, put mine on.
Yeah, put yours on before everything. Let me see now. 1 second. Because it shouldn't give you this code. Just 1 minute, okay? One minute. Don't take it, okay? Hello, brother.
Yes.
You wait.
Don't.
You wait till I have to tell you. Just stand by.
Don't change it.
Till I tell you.
Okay, I wait.
Yeah, you see here. So electric fuel pump number 17. Fault. You see this fuel electronic coding data incorrect. Even if we did the coding data, it could be not belong to the same car. It could be something like crazy stuff on it. Now I have no fault. I clear the code. So
Okay.
you see now. You see right away by coming back. It will not accept it because it's not the same value. It could be the same color, everything could be the same, but it could be something different. I even forget to know what car it come out of it.
This one, same car, E70. They said.
I see you have the VIN number for the car.
Which one?
He tell you, or you took it from there? You know when he take it.
No, he gave me all information. He told me it's from this car.
He give you the VIN number?
He said it's X6. He said, but it's the same car.
It never be. It never be. S6 could be something different. You understand? If you tell me X5, I can say okay. Okay. So put yours. Let me see something.
Okay. This not gonna work?
Get the right tool. You try to save some money, but you're wasting your time.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
That's no your time. You waste it, and you waste your money too.
Put mine on?
Yes. You done?
Not yet.
Okay. So we try to program. We try to program the fuel control module on this car, but he brought it from X6, which doesn't make sense. This car is X5. Even though we program it, it says system is not correct, not the same. So information that coming from the computer is not gonna be the same, so it doesn't work. I'm gonna try to start this car, and I give him advice from the beginning to get brand new from the dealer. He didn't get it, so what's gonna happen now is I'm going to put the old one back, start the car, and we close this problem and we take it from there. Hopefully everything is okay, and see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. I'm gonna stop this video, and hopefully at least you have the idea how to program, to install and get the right part for those cars. Thank you.